In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Reddit settings to allow NSFW content. Before we start, a quick note on what NSFW actually means. NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work, and it usually refers to content that may be sexually explicit, graphic, or otherwise sensitive. Reddit hides this type of content by default to protect users who don't want to see it, or who might be browsing in public or professional environments. By turning this on, you're telling Reddit that you are okay with viewing posts that have been marked as sensitive. Make sure you're of legal age in your region and that you're comfortable enabling this kind of content before you proceed. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Reddit and make sure you're logged into your account. This can be on the desktop website or in the app, but the general idea is the same. For the clearest control over your settings, I recommend using a web browser on your computer, as the layout is a bit more straightforward. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. This might be your avatar, a little Reddit alien, or a small circle with your username's initial. Click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing several options related to your account. From this drop-down, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can change things like language, notifications, and privacy preferences. On the settings page, find and click on the section called Profile. This area controls how your profile behaves and how certain types of content are handled for your account. Inside the profile settings, look for the option related to NSFW content. It may say something like label content as NSFW or allow display of NSFW content. You want the toggle that controls whether NSFW content is allowed to be shown to you. Click or tap the toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, it will usually change color or move to the opposite side to indicate that NSFW content is now allowed. Once you've turned that on, your settings are saved automatically in most cases. You can now browse Reddit, and content that has been marked as